Hi guys, let me quickly show you how I make this yummy spaghetti. This is jollof stir-fry spaghetti with some bell peppers. Delicious. The ingredients include tomato paste, spaghetti, carrots, bell peppers, scotch bonnet, vegetable oil, onions, and some seasoning. So to begin, I'm going to add salt into the boiling water and then some drops of vegetable oil. This will enable the spaghetti not to stick together. So I'm just going to add the spaghetti into the hot water and gently fold it into the water so that I don't end up breaking it. So this is me folding it into the water as gently as possible. So after this is done, just going to cover it and allow it to cook for like 10 minutes so that it can be fully cooked. So in a pot, I'm going to add vegetable oil and chopped onions and allow the onions first to saute for like 1 minute or 2 minutes. Then I'm going to go in with the tomato paste. This tomato paste, I blended it with onions, turmeric, ginger powder, ginger and garlic. So that's why the color is like that. So just allow it to fry very well. You see, it's now very fried now. All the liquid is dried. This stage is time to add all the seasoning. Curry powder. This curry is a blend of rosemary, thyme, and other herbs. Then a little bit of salt and some seasoning cubes. Yes, I use just 2 seasoning cubes, but you can use your favorite. I went on to add some chopped scotch bonnet. It's optional. If you like spicy stuff like me, then I think this is good for you. So I added the sliced vegetable, onions, red bell pepper, carrot, green bell pepper, and mix very well. Mix very well, because you don't want some parts to be, you don't want some vegetables to be one side and tomato paste one side. So I have to combine everything so that it can incorporate properly. After mixing, I'm going to go on to add the pre-cooked spaghetti. So I've added it. Now I'm just going to go on to fold everything in and mix until it's properly combined like this. So this is it. It's now ready. You can just leave it on the heat for like 1 minute, stir for 1 minute. Yeah, you see the look, amazing. You can eat it with your turkey, chicken, some vegetable. Thanks for watching.